So many plants are present. Out of the plants, some of the plants are developing flowers, some of the plants are not developing flowers. The plants that develops flowers are called flowering plants. So almost all flowering plants develop a kind of parts of the plant called seeds. So seeds are one of the most important parts of the plant. So those are also called reproductive parts of the plant or reproductive units of the plant. So study of seeds called spermology. A person who studies about seeds is called spermologist. Okay. So let us discuss how are seeds formed. You know very well. In the flowering plants, flower is most attractive part and it is a reproductive parts of the plant. So that flower turn into seeds by either pollination or fertilization. So you know very well, if you go through structure of flowers, there are four major parts are present, namely sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. So stamens and pistil are called male reproductive parts of the plant, and pistil is called female reproductive part. So stamens and pistil both are called reproductive parts of the plant. That reproductive parts of the plant plays a crucial role in development of seeds. Okay. So after pollination, the fertilization process is going on. So what do you mean by pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from anther to each stigma of the flower is called pollination. After pollination, the fertilization process is going on. So what do you mean by fertilization? The process of fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote is called fertilization. Fertilization results formation of zygote. So what is a zygote? The fertilized egg is called zygote, or fusion of gametes is called zygote. So after fertilization in flowering plants, the ovary. So ovary it is a part of flower. The ovary turn into fruit, and ovules, the part of ovary that turn into seed. Okay. So seeds are developed by pollination as well as fertilization process. Okay. So let us discuss how are new plants are developed from the seed. You know very well. So seed is one of the most important part of the plant, and seed is also called reproductive part of the plant. So whenever favorable conditions are available, the seed is going to germinate and develop baby plant. So whenever favorable conditions like presence of moisture or water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, the seed is germinate. So during germination of seed, two parts are coming from the seed. One of the part is moving towards soil is called radicle, and one of the part is moving towards above the soil is called lumeole. So what is a radicle? The part of the seed embryo that grows towards soil is called radicle. This radicle further developed into roots and root system. And part of seed embryo that grows towards above the soil is called plumule. This plumule further developed into shoot and shoot system. Okay. So shoot system consisting of stem, branches, leaves, bud, flower, fruit and seed. Okay. And root system containing roots, side roots and main roots. Okay. So here whenever germination of seed is going on, there is a differentiation of that part of the plant is going on. That differentiation of part of the plants is by chemicals that are present in the plants are called phytohormones. So what are phytohormones? Here phyto means plants, hormones means chemicals. The chemicals which are present in the plants or the chemicals that are present in the plants are called phytohormones. There are 5 different phytohormones are present like Pandavas and Panchaputas. Even 5 sense organs are there in our body. So what are those chemicals are auxins, cytokinins, gibberellics, abscisic acid or ABA and ethylene. So out of 5, one of the most important phytohormone that plays a crucial role in differentiation of separation of root and stem during germination is auxins. So auxins are a kind of hormones present in the plants that helps in separation of root and shoot during germination of seed. Okay.